Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable developer options on your Android smartphone, whether you turned it on for some debugging or customization and no longer need it. I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. The process is super simple and works on most Android devices. Open the Settings app on your phone, scroll down to System or Additional Settings and tap on it. Look for Developer Options and tap to open it. At the top of the screen, you'll see a toggle switch. Simply turn it off, restart the phone, and that's it. Developer Options is now disabled. Once it's off, it disappears from your Settings menu. But don't worry, you can always enable it again by tapping the build number multiple times. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to disabling developer options on Android. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.